Hello guys. So Stack Overflow plays very important role if you are a developer. It helps you in every way. If you have any problem related to development, related to code, you go there and search there and you get answers there, right? But I thought, why don't I do something different? So I built a Stack Overflow using a Stack Overflow. That means I took help from there and I built my own Stack Overflow. So this is my project. Here you can see that it's running on localhost 3000. Some people says that I have took a screenshot and I have shared on social media. So that's why I'm telling you to notice that. And here is the main page. So this is the main page. Again, I want to say that some designs are different, something is different. I felt that I should change that. I can make it more better, so I have changed it. And second thing is some part was little bit different, and I was not getting that, so I have tried to best like build best UI. So here you can see that this is my page and this is a Stack Overflow page. Okay, so this looks something like this. I will show you fastly. Okay, and if you go to other page about, then it redirected to some other page, product, then same like that you will get some option. It's main page, by the way. Login, if you do login, then it will come here, looks like this, and it looks like this. This is a sign up page or register page. Okay, now I am going to my home page, my project. Okay, so this will, I will cut that and I will go to my page. So here I came with my project. It's running on localhost 3000. You can see once again here, you can see that navbar has been changed little bit. There you were getting about, and after that you were getting some other option. But I thought that most people come to see questions and jobs, they look for that. So that's why I thought to put those question, jobs, and for teams, these are important, so I have put in navbar. Here you can see that you will not get that option. I am sorry, here you can't see those options, but I thought that it's important, so I added in navbar itself. Okay, so here you can see it's switching somewhere else if I am clicking on it. Okay, so I will show you one by one and I will go deeper. So here I came with home page, and here you can see that it was looking simple, but again it was quite tough, and lot of things I was not getting there. So please don't mind, and if you know, then let me know that how to use that. So for example, here you can see that it was like it was moving, right? It was moving here, but I was not getting, I was getting in a new line, and I tried, but actually I didn't focus much on that. I thought that it's okay as of now, and I don't want to use framer motion as of now. Like, I don't wanted to go that deeper, but if you know, please let me know in comment, and I will change it. So here you can see that I have built this. This is image, if you see, and this is also an image, and these are in background. Okay, these cards are on top and these images are on background, and I have used Z index to put that behind. So these are card on the top and these are images. If you come here, then here H1 has views and font size and all. Here card you can use. Again you can see that cards are there, and I have designed by itself. I took image and I have designed by myself, and here it will switch. Okay, it will take maybe little time, and again these are image and I have set up with Z index and all. So these are in Z index image. Here again it's kind of card, and it's not card actually, but it has designed something like this. And when you come that inside that one more one more box is there, and there is cards. Here some social icons are there. Here you can see that again these are making like this image was making really important, and I was not getting that it was image or svg format or what. So basically what I did is I took a screenshot and I removed background, and after that I used it. Okay, so you can also try like that. Some there's image was like I was unable to find, so I took again a screenshot and I have used it. So Okay, we'll come down, and it was something like this. Here some more design was there, but it was it was becoming big and big, and I don't know, I was facing little problem, so I sorted here itself, and I have given main part here. Okay, and if you see here, I don't know what they have used to circle the thing, but in mine there is no circle. If you see, there is no circle. So I haven't deep down into it. I have made whatever I knew, and I didn't go that deeper. But maybe in future I will go deeper and I will find it out. Okay, so this one is in square only, and I have just added these cards. But here you can see it has went like little bit on the top, and it has become kind of circle, isn't it? So yeah, again we will come to our main page, and here we will go to next page. So this is the about page. About page looks something like this, and if we come down, then all the details are there. These are cards, by the way, and this is also an card. Learn more, then it should go somewhere else, but I haven't linked properly yet, I guess. Questions. Okay, it moved to question directly. So okay, we'll see question only first. So here you can see that, like for a Stack Overflow, question is a very, very important page. You cannot do anything with that. Like you have to work on each and everything. Okay, and as I was working on React, by the way, to build this project, uh, I have used React, Bootstrap, and Sass. Okay, so here you can see that buttons are there, and here basically I have divided in three parts, like 1, 2, and 3. So this is the left sidebar, this is the right sidebar, and this is the body. Okay, so it looks something like this. Here you can see that related tag. So here is a buttons, and here is a simple number, and I have given, I think, 8 or 10 pixels, so it's looking something like this. There was also a small, so I have also done the same thing. Okay, from here you can go to second page or third page, but it's not going right now. So okay, so we will come to jobs. So when you come to job, here you can see that a lot of jobs options are there, and from here you can find the job. Here you can set the location. Here, from here you can select the kilometers as well, and you can sort it basically. Okay, from here also you can do the same thing, and you can sort the thing, and you can find the job option. Okay, so for example, I am searching for React developer remote job. So if I will click on this, then right side, the job details will be open, and you can see all the all the details here. So all the details are here. If you will read that, and if you like, then you can apply from here. Okay, so it's very simple, it's very simple. And same like that, you can select everything whatever you want from here. So these are the option here. Okay, now we will go to team. So if you come to team, then here you can see that like some designs are different, and again it has switched. So here this is also an image, and the thing is, what I was facing the most, that Stack Overflow, I don't know who have made, and like it was very tough compared to other project. Like I was not able to save the image, and also I have to each and everything from there, and I have to spend lot of time to make it ready. For example, this image I had to took like a screenshot, and after that remove background. If it is not looking good, then make it perfect, like that. Okay, so here is the team information. You can read about it, and here basically there should be kind of slider, but it's not slider as of now. And if you come down, then here you can see about collaboration, and from here, like there was a lot of option, but I haven't add all the things yet. And if you come down, then you will get all the other options, and from here, like again footer will start. So okay, so now we will come back, and here you can search, and from here you can log in. To log in, I have built something like this, and I have added my own logo by myself. Like there was a very simple login page. So here you can see that it looks something like this, and I was feeling that it's little bit incomplete, or I don't know, I felt like that. So I didn't do exactly. I have built by myself and I have made some changes here. So let me know that which one is looking much more good. And same like that, if I go to sign up page, then here I have made like I have made my own design. Like here, if you see that sign up page, then it will open something like this. And this is also good, but I was not that satisfied, so I built my own register page. I didn't clone properly, and I made changes there. Okay, so I designed something like this, and people like it. Actually, I asked in social media, I asked in LinkedIn, and most people said that, because of this logo or icon, it's looking very very good. I have added some icons here, and I have given the same color, so it's looking quite good, as they said. So you let me know, and what you feel about it. Okay, so you let me know which one looks more good according to you. This is end of the videos, guys, and I hope you like the video. And if you like, then hit the like button. And if you want me to connect anywhere, then you can find me on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter, anywhere, with hashtag CodeWithDolly. And source code will be provided in description, so you can go and check it out there. And I will suggest you to not copy the code. You just go learn and explore the things, and after that you try to do by yourself. If you face any issue, then let me know in comment. And thank you so much for staying till end. Thank you. Bye bye.